All electrical work must be carried out by a qualified electrician in accordance with current IEE wiring regulations. Connect the Drimaster ECO to a 3 amp fuse spur on a permanent supply. Ensure correct polarity and a secure earth connection. Connect the data cable between the heater and main unit. Maintain a minimum 50mm separation from power cables to avoid interference. Once connected, re-energize the unit. The system will enter temperature control mode for 2 minutes before displaying the fan speed. Set the target temperature using the diffuser dial. We recommend a midpoint of 10 degrees Celsius for energy efficient operation. Optional RF controls and sensors can be paired via binding mode. CO2 and humidity sensors bind automatically once powered on.
If you're an installer or a contractor, don't miss our free trade account. Get bulk discounts, priority technical support, and fast project quotes, all from the ventilation experts at iCells.